Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are diving deep into the Heiken Ashi Histogram for MT4. Alright, it is actually a powerful tool that can help you identify trends with greater accuracy and less noise. So if you have been struggling with choppy price action and unclear signals, then this indicator might be exactly what you need. I'm just going to add the indicator to the chart right away. The Heiken Ashi Histogram indicator. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how it works, how to set it up, and how to use it effectively in your trading strategy. So make sure you watch till the end to get all the details. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on powerful trading insights. Okay, let us get started. All right, so what exactly is the Heiken Ashi histogram? You may have heard of Heiken Ashi candlesticks, which smooths out price action by averaging the open, close, high, and low of each candle. This method reduces market noise and makes trends much easier to spot. Now, the Heiken Ashi histogram takes this concept a step further by converting those smoothed out movements into a histogram format. Okay, so instead of relying on candlestick formations, you can visually track trend, strength, and direction directly on your indicator panel, just like you would with your MACD or RSI. So this means fewer false signals and a much clearer picture of whether the market is trending or ranging. And the best part, it is available right inside the MetaTrader 4. Okay, you can actually download the custom indicator and add it to your MetaTrader indicators folder. All right, you might not find the indicator as a follow-come indicator to your terminal or rather to your platform. If you don't find it as a follow-come indicator, then you just have to download it from an external site and then add it to your indicators folder. Okay, so now that you understand what this indicator does, let us just set it up on the MT4. I'm just going to be giving the directions. Just follow the simple steps. First of all, you will go to a website that uploads free indicators. Okay, the indicator is absolutely free. You don't have to pay a dime to get it. You can try checking the MQL5 marketplace. If you don't find it on the MQL5 marketplace, then you can try checking Indicator Spot. Indicator Spot is another website where I usually get custom indicators from. All right, so after you have downloaded the indicator file, okay, then you have to go to your MetaTrader terminal. You click on File. On the top left hand corner, you click on Data Folder, Open Data Folder. Once you have done that, you navigate to MQL4 and go to the Indicators folder. All right, so once you have gone to the Indicators folder, you copy the Heiken Ashi histogram indicator, the file that you downloaded, you copy it and you paste it inside the Indicators folder. Then you have to restart your MT4. You close your MT4 terminal and restart it. All right, so once you have restarted it, then you can now go and add the indicator to your chart. You can just go to Insert, go to Indicators, and find the indicator under the Custom section, under the Custom Indicators. Then you just select it and you add it to your chart. Okay, so that is it. Now you are ready to use the Heiken Ashi histogram to analyze trends with ease. Okay, so let us talk about how to use this indicator effectively. One, you can use it for trend confirmation. Okay, the Heiken Ashi histogram is great for confirming trends. Okay, blue bars indicate an uptrend. When you notice these blue bars, the blue bars indicate an uptrend, while the red bars show a downtrend. Okay, so when the bars change color, it could signal a possible trend reversal. For example, you have red bars and suddenly it changes to blue, it could signal a possible trend reversal. Or maybe you have blue bars and suddenly it changes to red, it could signal a possible trend reversal. Then this indicator also helps to reduce noise. Unlike traditional candlesticks, this indicator helps you avoid getting caught in market whipsaws and false breakouts. So if you struggle with making clear entries, this can help you stick with the dominant trend. All right, and also this indicator can help you to get your your entry and exit points precisely. Okay, for example, a strong uptrend is going to show long blue bars. When there is a strong bullish momentum, you're going to notice the length of the blue bars, getting long. You can see what happened around here, right? During this strong uptrend, you can see how the length of the blue bars rose up, right? Then you can see that these red bars were short because this was just a mere pullback. It was just a mere pullback. So the length of the red bars showed that the sell momentum was weak. And you can see it just ended in a pullback. But when we had these long red bars, you can see that it indicated that this was probably a sell reversal, a bearish reversal, because this buy trend turned into a sell trend. Can we see that? You can see that this was initially a buy trend, but when this trend line was broken, it turned into a sell trend. So these long red bars shows that this is probably a bearish reversal and not just merely a pullback. So you can see when the red bars were long, it showed that there was strong bearish momentum. Then these short blue bars show that the bullish momentum was weak, and it eventually led to just a minor pullback. While the long-lengthed red bars showed that the bearish momentum was strong. Okay, so basically the length of the bars can help you to know when the momentum is strong and when the momentum is weak. So in other words, you might be able to know whether it is just a mere pullback or if it's actually a trend reversal that is coming. All right, now if the bars start shrinking, right, if the bars start shrinking, perhaps you are in a sell trade, right, and then you notice that the red bars start shrinking, it could be that a pullback is coming or a possible trend reversal. So you might just want to watch out for that as well. Okay, you can also combine the Heiken Ashi Histogram with moving averages, RSI, MACD, or any other indicator of your choice, just for the sake of confirmation. Okay, remember that when you have multiple indicators telling you the same thing, there's a higher chance of your trade playing out, or rather of the signal playing out. So if you have 2 indicators or 3 indicators telling you to buy, it could be that the buy signal is actually strong. If you have 2 or 3 indicators telling you to sell, it could be that the sell signal is actually strong. Okay, so it's important to have confluence. So there you have it. The Heiken Ashi Histogram is a simple but highly effective indicator that helps you spot trends, avoid unnecessary noise, and make better trading decisions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more powerful trading strategies. And don't forget to drop a comment below. Let me know if you are using the Heiken Ashi Histogram in your trading and how it is working for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy trading.